Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we will be learning how to configure momentary command in the Plant SCADA. This button is essential for application where you need to send a signal only while the button is pressed, like jogging control or pulse command. The momentary button is a type of button that remain active or on only while it is being pressed. Once released, it's automatically returned to its default state like off. Typically, it's used where temporary change is required, like jog operation or pulse command. Here, if you want, like to turn on your pulse for just once the button is pressed, so you can use the momentary command. How it works? For example, once you press the button, it will turn on, and once you release the button, the motor will become off. So let's see how we can configure in the plant SCADA. So in this tutorial, we will use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial. So double click here to active the project, then click here to launch the graphic builder, and then we will open our overview screen that we already built in our previous tutorial. Now click here over the button and then just paste it here and write the button name, momentary command, and then click here the input. So click here over the up, and we will use the same tag that we already configured for the motor. So we will just change the motor bit. We'll just change the value in the motor bit. So click here over the up and then write it, and then while it's up, is should the value should be 0, while down the value should be 1. So it's mean once we press the left mouse button, then it will execute the down command, whatever the in the down. So our motor will become on, and once we release it, so then in the up, whatever the script will be there, that will execute. So once we release, then it will be this tag value become 0. So that's it. Just click here apply and OK, and then save it and then close, compile the project, and after that run the project. Click OK. So now if you press this button, the motor will become on, and whatever the code in the down input, that will execute. Once you remove your mouse or the left mouse button, once you remove or release, then it will become off. So once you press, and that time only the motor will become on. Once you release, then motor will become off. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure a momentary push button in the plant SCADA. Thanks for watching this video.